Welcome to Vision Plus and welcome back to S.4 Mathematics on differentiation. We are looking at method 1, that is dealing with powers and coefficients to differentiate given functions or expressions. Example 4 says differentiate the following functions. Part A, we are given S equals to 2t cubed plus 4t squared minus 6t plus 5. Okay, this is S. S stands for displacement. This is displacement. And then T stands for time. So we need to find the rate of change of displacement with time. The rate of change of displacement with time. That is velocity. And we shall see that in the applications. So we need to differentiate S with respect to T. That is the meaning. This is the function of S, and this is the variable of the function T. This is T is the variable of the function S. So we are going to say ds dt. This is the rate of change of S with respect to T. Okay, equals to, we shall follow the same way of differentiating given terms or functions. So the first term is 2t cubed. What do? We say the coefficient which was 2 times the power, we lower the power, times 3. Then t, now we need a new power here, which becomes 3 minus 1. We have differentiated the first term. And then plus. We come to the second term. The second term has a coefficient of 4 times, then we lower the power, minus 2. Then t. Now we need a new power here, which becomes the whole power 2 minus 1. And then minus 6. Remember, this t has a power of 1. So we shall say minus 6 times 1, which is the whole power t. Now we need a new power, which is the whole power minus 1 plus 5. If we differentiate 5, what do we get? 5 is a constant. Any constant that we differentiate gives us 0. Now we have differentiated. Now we simply need to simplify. So this gives us here 6t squared plus 4 times 2, 8t. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is to power 1. You know that. Minus 6 times 1 is 6. T to power 0. T to power 0 is 1. So it makes no difference. So this is the answer. The answer is 6t squared plus 18 minus 6. That is the solution for part A. Now going to part B. Part B also is a function in S, where S equals to negative 6t power 5 plus 5t power 4 minus t cubed. Minus t cubed. So we need to differentiate the function S with respect to t, where t is the variable of the function S. So we shall say ds dt. And the meaning of this is that this is the rate of change of S with respect to t. Okay, which is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. So on differentiating the first term, which is we have the coefficient of negative 6 times, we drop the power, times 5 t. What is the new power here? It becomes 5 minus 1. Then we continue plus. The second term is 5 times the whole power, which is 4 t. What is the new power? 4 minus 1. Because here it is minus, so we put here minus. What is the coefficient there? 1 times, we lower the power 3. Then t, and then now the new power becomes 3 minus 1. Then we simplify here. This gives us here negative 30 t power 4 plus 20 t power 3 minus 3t power 2. So this is the derivative of the function s in part b. And in the same sense, we shall solve part c given by y equals to 6x plus 1. So we shall say differentiating y with respect to x. This is the rate of change of y with respect to x. So when we differentiate 6x, remember this one has a power of 1. That means we shall have 6 times that power 1. And we have x, the old power was 1 minus 1, give us the new power. And then plus 1. We will differentiate 1. 1 is a constant. We will differentiate 1 with 0. Then we simplify this. It gives us the 6x to power 0. X to power 0 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. So differentiating 6x plus 1 gives us 6. That is the rate of change of y with respect to x. That is the implication. And finally, part D. For example, for D says that we are given y equals to negative 1 out of 6 x power 12. We apply the same principles. We are differentiating y with respect to the variable x. That means we shall have dy dx equals to the whole coefficient here. This is the whole coefficient. We have negative 1 out of 6 times, now you lower the power of x, so times 12. Then you say here x. Now we need a new power, which is the whole power minus 1. Then we proceed. Negative 1 out of 6 times 12 is simply negative 2. X, what is the new power here? 11. So this is the derivative of the function y in part D, and this marks the end of example 4.